The decision to close the thread was based on a commitment to providing accurate and responsible information that prioritizes safety. While DIY projects are encouraged, it is also recognized the importance of following proper safety protocols and adhering to building codes. The use of ladders and diving boards involves inherent risks, and providing advice that could potentially compromise safety would be irresponsible. The goal is to provide information that empowers individuals to make informed decisions while minimizing risks. By encouraging the involvement of professionals in certain situations, it is hoped to contribute to a safer home environment. Regretfully, the decision caused disappointment, and all the best is wished in home improvement endeavors. There are several factors that contribute to electrical safety, including proper wiring, grounding, and overcurrent protection. First, proper wiring ensures that electricity flows through the intended circuits without creating hazards such as short circuits or ground faults. This involves using the correct wire gauge for the load, making secure connections, and protecting wires from damage. Second, grounding provides a safe path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker or fuse and preventing electrical shock. This is typically achieved by connecting the metal enclosures of electrical equipment to a grounding electrode, such as a ground rod or a metal water pipe. Third, overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to interrupt the flow of electricity if the current exceeds a safe level. This prevents overheating and potential fires. In addition to these factors, regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems are essential to identify and address any potential hazards. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged insulation, and corroded components. It is also important to use electrical equipment safely and avoid overloading circuits. Furthermore, compliance with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is crucial for ensuring electrical safety. The NEC provides detailed requirements for the installation and maintenance of electrical systems, covering everything from wiring methods to grounding and overcurrent protection. By following the NEC, electricians and homeowners can minimize the risk of electrical hazards. Some specific examples of electrical safety practices include using ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in wet locations such as bathrooms and kitchens, installing arc fault circuit interrupters, RFCIs, to protect against arc faults, and using surge protectors to protect electronic equipment from voltage spikes. It is also important to turn off power before working on electrical circuits and to use insulated tools. Moreover, it is essential to educate oneself about electrical safety and to seek professional help when needed. If there are any concerns about the safety of electrical systems, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. In summary, electrical safety is a multifaceted issue that requires attention to detail and adherence to established standards and practices. By understanding the factors that contribute to electrical safety and taking appropriate precautions, it is possible to minimize the risk of electrical hazards and protect oneself and others from harm. Also consider safety practices for plumbing and construction projects, as well as general home maintenance. These projects require careful planning, the use of appropriate tools and equipment, and adherence to safety guidelines. It's very important to research and understand the risks involved before starting any project.